I met a professional football player. I've met volleyball players. I met a professional musician from the Netherlands. I met a guy who retired after investing in GameStop. I've met filmmakers, politicians, and all this happened because I talk to strangers all the time as much as I can. So the problem is most people just stay in their environment and they just hang out with the same kind of people. They live in a bubble, right? Your environment from work, from your studies, whatever, you're going to hang out with people who think like you do, who come from similar backgrounds. And maybe to you it's not important to meet all kinds of different people. To me it's very important, and I think it should be important to you. And if you want to do that, you should follow my advice of talking to strangers everywhere you go. And the opportunities you'll get out of this are going to be amazing, you know? If you're trying to learn how to make friends, how to network, how to just be better at being social, it's just the opportunities. 5 people a day. Force yourself to talk to 5 strangers a day. After 1 month, that's 150 people. And among those 150 people, they can also introduce you to more people, okay? Now, you're not going to get 150 after a month because it's just like you're not going to click with everyone, you're not going to keep in touch with everyone, etc. But the more people you talk to, the more opportunities you get. So you go for quantity first, and out of that, you will get quality, okay? So this is going to help you. This is going to help you make friends. It's going to help you network. It can lead to professional opportunities, and it's just going to make things so much more interesting, because why would you want to hang out with the same kind of people all the time? You need to just it's so exciting. You know, you got maybe this bubble, maybe you have 2 or 3 bubbles in your life, and then bam, like magically, like you bring in these people from completely different types of bubble, and now you're friends potentially, you know? It's just so exciting, but you gotta force yourself to talk to people, and not just in your immediate environments. You just gotta go out there and you know, find people who are different.